This was the craziest sale that I ever made selling on Amazon FBA. Let me tell you guys about this. So, this is probably like 7 years ago now. I was selling Apple TV remotes on Amazon. So, for those of you who don't know what an Apple TV is, you just plug it into your TV via HDMI cable. And it allows you to get basically make your TV a smart TV. So people had them all the time back then, and they're not as relevant now, but people were still buying them, or people are still buying them today. So basically, I was selling the remotes for them. So I was selling the remotes for, I think it was about $50. So I was selling the remote for $50. It cost me about $30 at the time, so I had an okay margin. It was nothing special. And then at the time, that's when I was doing merchant fulfilled. I was not doing the fulfillment by Amazon program. So everything that I sold, I was shipping myself. And so I got a customer that ordered 2 Apple TV remotes. Fine, around $100, completely fine. I go to get them ready to ship out. And then I realized the customer had paid for expedited shipping. And at that time, I had a flat rate expedited shipping cost, which was $175. And then for the additional unit, anything additional, so if somebody ordered 2 units like this person did, then it was $100. So $175 plus $100, $275, plus another $100, $375. So this person literally paid $375 for 2 Apple TV remotes. And I was thinking, they could have literally bought 2 Apple TVs that both included the remotes, had 2 units, and still paid less. So that is the craziest sale that I ever made on Amazon FBA. To this day, I still can't believe that someone would have paid that much for shipping. Like I said, it was a flat rate shipping cost because I was selling bigger items at that time, like TVs and stuff. So if it was expedited, that would be a reasonable charge. Like if I had to get that from BC all the way to like Newfoundland or PEI or New Brunswick, anything on the East Coast, then it was going to cost me a significant amount. I would probably lose money on that expedited shipping cost. So that's why I just made it a flat rate fee. But the fact that someone paid that much money for 2 little Apple TV remotes, that was my craziest sale. And to this day, like I said, I can't believe someone did it. But yeah, that was an insane profit on that shipment, and I wasn't complaining, and the person never returned them, so that was nice, because I was like, oh, they're most likely gonna see it's way too much and then return them. Nope, they kept them. They had their 30 days to return them, never did, so that all worked out and I got paid for it. So that's my craziest sale from selling on Amazon FBA. Make sure if you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, that you do subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.